If you were born to be a mermaid, the Graphic 45 Make a Splash collection is for you. To give you a sample of what you're gonna find in this collection, you are gonna find gorgeous images of so many mermaids, fish, seashells, some fun sentiments, tags, and frames. So you can get all of these die-cut double-sided pieces in this Graphic 45 Make a Splash ephemera pack. You'll see you can get 42 pieces in total. Now to show you just how gorgeous those ephemera pieces look when they're put to a project, you can see we use them in our Volume 6 card kit. So it's the Make a Splash kit. You can see they're just nicely layered up and make creating cards and mini albums just a cinch. These cards are now available on our website at g45papers.com, along with all the other Make a Splash goodies you see here. Now let me dive right into this 8x8 collection pack. So in here you get 3 of each of these sheets for a total of 24 sheets. So starting off here with our signature page, it always lays the foundation for the collection. So you're gonna get a lot of the colors and imagery, just really setting the tone. You gotta love those gorgeous purple pearls on the back. And then here we have our ocean dance. Some gorgeous blues there. One of our most popular papers, the cut aparts here. We've got The World is Your Oyster, and so many great sentiments here and images on the A side. And then flip this over, and then we've got great journaling spots on the back side. So these are so usable for your cards and mini albums, your scrapbook pages. Here we've got Fantasy Cove. All the fish in the sea, born to be a mermaid. The sea is calling and I must go. Next up, we've got Wish Upon a Starfish, which is one of Graphic 45's owner and head designer's favorite pages, is the border page. These pages are so great in making your projects really stand out and give them a polished look by just cutting apart these borders and using them on your projects. Next up, we've got Celebrate. So many great fussy cutting opportunities with this page. Another great fussy cutting page, Born to be a Mermaid. You can see we've got so many gorgeous mermaids. And then you gotta love this colorful page on the back. And last but not least, another cut apart page, Seize the Day. This one's got some more fun sizes, some more borders, and a great stripe on the back. The 12x12 collection pack has all the same papers from 8x8, but at a larger scale. So this makes it great for larger scale projects, home decor, scrapbook layouts. And then we are pleased to announce that our stickers are back in our collection packs. So this also comes with a 12x12 sticker sheet where you're gonna get lots of great tags, buttons, borders, corners, so many usable sticker pieces here. And you can even see that we use those here on our album kit volume 6. We've got a sticker here, open it up there, more stickers, just making decorating so fun and easy. On our website at g45papers.com. To go with the 8x8s and the 12x12s, you're gonna need this 12x12 patterns and solids pack as well. So you can see there's a great solids on one side, have a little bit of texture, so these are perfect for your photo mats or your card bases. And then on the reverse side is where you're gonna find those nice patterns that also are great for backgrounds, really making all of your projects pop. And we know our Graphic 45 color palette isn't always the simplest to match up with your cardstocks, which is why we have this. The Make a Splash flower assortments come in a variety of colors. You're gonna see 2 tones of purple and blues, and you get a total of 63 pieces in here. including these fun spiral pieces that make these three-dimensional flowers. And for all of you stampers and mixed media lovers out there, of course, we've got the Make a Splash stamp set. These are now a larger 4x6 size. You've got the Make a Splash sentiment, Born to be a Mermaid, and then so many great stamps to use. I'm loving these bubbles over here and all the seashells. And then, of course, we've got our Graphic 45 hybrid inks in marine blue and lovely lilac, which are going to match perfectly with this collection. Some more embellishments you might want to pick up while you're shopping are our Bon Voyage and French lilac trims. You get 3 different ribbons here and 3 yards of each for a total of 9 yards. Then of course we have the rose bouquets in purple. We do have them in blue as well. And we do have the flower assortments for Make a Splash that match perfectly. But if you want just purple or just blue, you can always go that route as well and pick up our shades of blue or shades of purple flower assortments. So we cannot wait to see what you create with our Make a Splash collection. Go ahead and share those projects with us on Instagram using that Graphic 45 hashtag. And if you're looking for more great Graphic 45 product review videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.